cognition is just studying specific behaviors which arise due to cognition. Okay, and then cognitive psychology is a branch of psychology that deals with studying of cognitive phenomenon and how it affects human life. Okay, so this is a very vast topic, and I only have like around 10 minutes to explain. So I'm going to be talking about two fascinating cognitive.
Not 10 minutes, which is 5 minutes, extra 2 minutes I can get.
Okay, now 7 minutes to be accurate. So I'll be talking about two fascinating cognitive phenomena, namely the placebo and the Mandela effect. So next. You can stop it. So I will start off with an example, or a story actually. In 1996, the doctors wanted, the researchers wanted to test something out. So they made a new pain called Trivericaine, and they had 56 volunteers to try it on. So basically, what they did was they applied the painkiller to the left index finger, and then they left the right index finger free. And what they did was they took clamps. Does anyone know what a clamp means? Yeah. So they put the left index finger in the clamp, a very painful clamp, and the right index finger in the clamp. So, and then the subjects reported that the left index finger, which was treated with the painkiller, pained less than the right index finger, which was not treated. This shouldn't be surprising, right? Because painkiller kills pain. But what if I say Trivericaine was just water filled with a colored chemical, and they called it as a painkiller? So so what made the 56 subjects so sure that this dummy drug worked? Because they reported that left index finger pained less. So the answer lies in the placebo effect, is what I'm going to talk about now. Next slide. Yeah. So basically, what is placebo effect? Formal definition: an unexplained phenomenon sorry, one second. Yeah. So placebo effect, what it is? The placebo effect is a psychological and a physiological phenomenon in which a person experiences a perceived improvement in the condition or symptoms after receiving a dummy drug or a drug which is ineffective. So that is basically placebo effect. What is a placebo then? Placebo is a substance, or you can say it's a treatment also, where the therapies or the drugs really don't work. But it makes the patients feel better. I'll tell you how the placebo works in the next upcoming slides. Yeah. I'll give you one more example. Say you're a person X. Say, let's assume there's a person called X, and he has an illness, so he has to go to the doctor. Yeah? He goes to the doctor diagnoses him and says, if you eat chocolates every day, he doesn't know what a chocolate is, and he doesn't know what, he has to take whatever the doctor diagnoses him, right? So, chocolate. But you guys know what chocolates are, right? It's not going to cure illnesses. So, due to his belief in the doctor, he takes the chocolates every day, and there's actually a test which has been done 1 to 2 years ago. Even though the time period of recovery is long, he still recovered by just eating chocolates. And the chocolates are known as placebos, in this term. Yeah. So how does the placebo actually work? placebos had to mimic the real treatment in order to be convincing, so they took form of sugar pills, water-filled injections, and even sham surgeries. So there was another conspiracy theory here. So COVID-19 happened, right? It happened around late 2019 and continued till 2022. So what the vaccine, it's Covaxin, right? It came around 2022 only. So there are a few people, it kind of went viral also. They said the Covaxin or whatever COVID vaccine they made is also a placebo. So that's one of the things. Yeah, so this is just a normal picture. Yeah, one second, back. On to the second topic, the Mandela effect. So, everybody has played Monopoly, right? Yeah, everybody has played Monopoly. So, everybody knows the Monopoly ambassador or the Monopoly man, the person, the banker with the big hat and the big mustache. How many of you feel that he wears a monocle? Only one. He has a singular glass called a monocle. How many of you think he has that? Yeah, so you guys are basically under the Mandela effect. He doesn't have the monocle. Okay, so yeah, if you guys haven't guessed by now, the Mandela effect says, for the definition, a larger collective of people remember an incident or even details of a picture wrongly, even though the evidence is right there. Okay? So how did the term Mandela effect come into play? There was this researcher called Fiona Broome. So she claimed that she and the other collective of people remembered Mandela dying in prison around the 1980s. But does anybody know when Mandela died? 1990. Huh? No one? Okay, he died in 2013. Yeah. So she says she and a larger collective of people thought he died in prison during the 1980s, but that's not what happened. There's a Mandela. Yeah, I framed the questions in the wrong way, but okay. How many of you think Mona Lisa gives an expression in the Da Vinci painting? You think she has no expression, right? Again, you are under the Mandela effect. She smiles. So most of the people think this is the correct image of Mona Lisa, because most of the people focus on her eyes. Yeah. But this is the correct image. She actually smiles in the picture. Yeah? Next. Okay, this is really interesting. How many Pokemon fans are there? Okay, yeah, before you go to the next slide. How many of you think Pikachu has a black tip on his tail? Yeah, okay, you guys are again under the Mandela effect. He doesn't have a black tip. Change the slide. Yeah, so this is what you guys think Pikachu looks like, right? That's how it looks in the animation, like the Pokemon series. So that's another thing. Most of you all are under the Mandela effect. So next, you guys wouldn't know this. How many of you know this? Looney Tunes. Can you spell Looney Tunes? N-E-Y. Then T-U-N-E-S. Yes, you are correct. What do you think? No, you were saying? Okay, fine. How many of you think it's T-O-O-N-S? Huh? Okay. How many of you think it's T-O-O-N-S? How many of you think it's like the music tunes wala tune? T-U-N-E-S. Yeah, so you're correct. You're not under the Mandela effect this time. Next. Yeah, so this is what people think it is. Okay, most of the people think it's Looney Tunes. Okay, not Looney Tunes, but this is the correct the name of the animation. Yeah, basically that's me.
So, Vaishnav